In this video, we're going to learn how to add keyframes in Premiere Pro. For this practice, I have two clips on the timeline. One is the background clip, and the other is a text clip. I'm going to show you how to create a simple scale animation for the text. First, I'll select the text clip on the timeline. Every time you select a clip, the Effect Controls panel should open automatically by default, but if you don't see it, press Shift-5 to open it, or go to Window, Effect Controls. Next, move the playhead to the point where you want to add a keyframe. Since I want to animate the scale of the text, I'll click the Toggle Animation button, the small stopwatch icon, to add the first keyframe. You'll see the keyframe appear in the Effect Controls timeline. You can adjust its position by dragging it anywhere you like. To add another keyframe, simply move the playhead to a different position. You don't need to click the stopwatch icon again. If you accidentally click it and hit OK, all existing keyframes will disappear. If that happens, just undo it by pressing Ctrl-Z. The correct way to add another keyframe is by clicking the Add Remove Keyframe button. But remember, this adds a keyframe using the same parameter value as before. So without moving the playhead, just change the scale value right away. To preview your animation, move the playhead to the first keyframe and press spacebar to play or stop the preview. At this stage, the animation might look a bit stiff or sudden. To smooth it out, right-click the first keyframe and choose Easy Out. Then right-click the second keyframe and choose Easy In. This will make the size change flow more naturally. You can also adjust the duration of the animation by dragging the keyframes closer together or farther apart. To duplicate a keyframe, hold Alt and drag it. You can also duplicate multiple keyframes by selecting them, right-clicking, copy, and pasting them wherever you like. Whenever you duplicate keyframes, make sure you readjust the easing. Remove the old easing by right-clicking and selecting Linear, then apply Easy Out to the first keyframe and Easy In to the second keyframe. If you want to reset a keyframe's parameter, like scale or its easing, simply click the Reset Parameter button instead of typing the values manually. You can also use Continuous Bézier on multiple keyframes if you want very smooth, continuous motion without any sudden changes in speed or direction. This can be a great alternative to Easy In and Easy Out. That's all for this tutorial. For more Premiere Pro tips, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.